In this video, I'm going to reveal how to get monetized on YouTube in just 30 days. Don't think it's possible? Keep watching. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and I've grown channels to over 1 million subscribers and multiple other channels to over 100,000 subscribers. And you probably know that you need 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers to meet the requirements for monetization on YouTube. And for a lot of people, this can take a long time to reach these requirements. But what if I were to tell you that it was possible to do so in just 30 days? And I'm going to be breaking down exactly how in this video. So what's the fastest that I personally have gotten a channel monetized? My personal record for uploading videos on a brand new channel from scratch and then reaching the requirements for monetization is just 2 weeks. And that was with uploading a new video every single day. And then by the end of the 4th week, the channel was accepted in the YouTube Partner Program and monetized. So that's literally only 1 month to go from no uploads on the channel to having a monetized channel. I mean, imagine if 1 month from now, you could be monetized and making money on YouTube. Now, that's not to say that it always goes this smoothly. In fact, most of my channels take months to reach these requirements, and growth on YouTube is usually exponential, meaning you upload a lot of videos with almost no results, and then one finally takes off. Also keep in mind something called the 80-20 rule, which states that 80% of your views, watch time, and subscribers will come from only 20% of your videos. And in the case of the channel that I got to 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers in 2 weeks, on that channel, most of the views, subscribers, and watch time came from just a couple of the videos that took off. So there was a lot of videos on that channel that barely had any views, and then just a couple videos took off. So in that case, most of the views and watch time and subscribers came from just a couple videos, even less than 20% of the videos. But typically, 80% of your views, watch time, and everything else will come from only 20% of your videos. So in the case of that channel that got monetized in just 1 month, there definitely was a certain amount of luck involved. But with that being said, there were things that I did to increase my chances as much as possible, and there are things that you can do to increase your chances of getting monetized on YouTube as fast as possible. And think about it this way, even if you don't hit the requirements to get monetization on YouTube within 30 days, you'll probably hit them a lot sooner than if you didn't know these things. So right now, let's do a bit of math to see how it could be possible to reach the requirements for monetization in just 30 days. Now, a quick disclaimer, this is a hypothetical situation, so this doesn't guarantee by any means that if you upload videos for 30 days that you're going to get monetized, but I truly believe that this is going to help you a lot, and I just want to show you a situation and a scenario where this would be possible. So let's say that we were to upload a new video every single day for 30 days straight. And let's say that every video that we upload is an average of 12 minutes long. And let's say that every single video we upload gets 50% average view duration, so that's 6 minutes of watch time per average view on our videos. Now, to hit the requirements for monetization, we need 4,000 hours of watch time. That's 240,000 minutes. So if our videos are getting 6 minutes of watch time per view, we would need 40,000 total views to reach those 4,000 watch hours. And this would be an average of 1,333 views per video on our channel. But remember that 80% of the views are going to be coming from only 20% of the videos. So this is just an average amount of views per video. Now, more likely than not, you'll upload a lot of videos that hardly get any traction or that get no traction at all, and then you'll get one that gets a ton of traction, a lot more than 1,300 views on the video. But on average, across the channel, you'll need to get 1,333 views on the video. Taking into account your videos are 12 minutes long and you get a 50% average view duration on every single video, so 6 minutes of watch time on every single video. So that's only 40,000 views total, or 1,333 views per video. So that's how we can hit those 4,000 hours of watch time. Now, what about 1,000 subscribers? How can we hit that within 30 days? Now, on my YouTube channels, I have about a 3% subscriber to view ratio, meaning that for every 100 views on one of my channels, about 3 people subscribe. And if we were to get 40,000 total views to get those 4,000 hours of watch time over those 30 days, and let's say just 3% of those 40,000 total views subscribed, that would be a total of 1,200 subscribers, which would let us meet the requirements for monetization. So that's just a hypothetical situation in which it would be possible to hit the requirements for monetization in just 30 days. And like I said before, this is just a best case scenario, and oftentimes it takes a lot more than 30 days and a lot more than 30 videos to hit the requirements for monetization. Now, I do have students who have gotten monetized in just a couple of months, but there's also people who never get monetized at all. So what are some things that you can do to increase how fast you meet the requirements for monetization? Right now, I'm going to be going over 3 different tips that will help you get 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Tip number 3 is to upload as much as possible. You're not going to get any watch time on your channel if you don't upload any videos. And I recommend uploading about 30 videos and then analyzing the analytics on those videos and doubling down on what works. And plus, it is always possible to hit those 4,000 hours of watch time within those first 30 videos. So I highly recommend just getting those videos up as much as possible. And also, don't worry too much about making the best content ever. The purpose is just to get those videos up so you have data to reflect on, to analyze and optimize based off the data, double down on what's working, and cut out what's not working. And another caveat to this is that you want to make sure to only upload videos in a single niche. Now, tip number 2, make videos that are longer than 10 minutes. Longer videos will typically have a longer amount of watch time, so longer videos will help you get those first 4,000 hours of watch time as fast as possible. And think about it this way, if someone watches 30% of a 1-minute video, that's only 18 seconds of watch time. Whereas if someone were to watch 30% of a 10-minute video, that's 3 whole minutes of watch time. And also another pro of doing this is that once you do get monetized, you'll be able to put multiple ads on your videos and make a lot more money as a result. And now YouTube actually did recently introduce an 8-minute minimum for putting ads on your videos. However, I still recommend trying to make your videos as long as possible in the beginning if you can, just so you can get as much watch time as possible for every single view that you get. And tip number 1 is to double down on what works. So once you've got some videos up, it's time to double down on what's working on your channel and literally just disregard all the rest. And you can do this by going into your analytics and seeing which videos have got you the highest amount of watch time, and then going through and seeing which videos and thumbnails have the highest click-through rate, and try to combine both as much as possible to get as much watch time as possible and the highest click-through rate as possible in all of your future videos. And also you can look at your audience retention graphs, which will show you points in your videos in which viewer attention spikes, and also points in your videos in which people will stop watching your videos. And this is all displayed for you on graphs for individual videos on your channel. So I highly recommend going into your analytics, taking a look at these graphs, seeing what keeps people on your videos. Maybe it's a certain thing you're showing, a certain thing you're saying, a certain thing you're doing in the videos that's keeping them watching at that point, and really try to figure it out. Take notes. That's actually what I do. I take notes on what I believe is causing viewers to watch more at that point, and then I also look at those points in which the audience retention is going down, and I try to make a note on what could be happening on that point to make people click off the video and stop watching the video. Your goal is to keep people on the video as much as possible, and ideally going to another video after your video and keeping people on the platform of YouTube, and YouTube will reward you with all the views and subscribers that you could ever want. And something to remember as well is that this doesn't guarantee that you're going to hit the requirements for monetization, but I do truly believe that it will help you reach them sooner. So how many videos does the average YouTube channel with over 1,000 subscribers have? The average YouTube channel with between 1,000 and 10,000 subscribers has about 150 videos on it. Now, to upload 150 videos in a month, you would have to upload 5 videos every single day. And I always recommend uploading about 1 video a day if you can. But if you can't do that, I do understand that there are some types of content that require more work going into the content, like animation videos, and there's all kinds of different types of content that would take more time, especially if you were the primary content creator for that channel. So if you can't do 1 video a day, then I recommend 3 videos a week. And if you can't do that, then I recommend 1 video a week. But with that being said, there are channels like Brightside that upload 6 videos a day, and Brightside's actually the fastest growing channel on all of YouTube. So the more uploads you do, the more it will help. And the reason I'm saying that the average channel with between 1,000 and 10,000 subscribers has over 150 videos on it is due to the fact that a lot of people think that if they just upload 5 videos, they'll get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And that's very rarely the case. There are instances in which it can happen, but it is very rarely the case. So I like to give you those kind of averages. And if you want to see how many videos on average it will take you to hit 10,000 subscribers, 100,000 subscribers, or even 1 million subscribers, then check out the link in the card that's popping up on this video right now, and also check out the link in the description to a video that will literally show you how many videos that you need to upload to hit all of those different milestones. And also another thing to keep in mind is that we're counting the beginning of a channel as the point at which a video is first uploaded on the channel. But before you ever upload a video, you have to choose a niche, you have to plan the video, you have to produce the video, or you have to wait if you paid someone else to produce the video for you. And also another thing that I like to do is mapping out the first 30 videos that I'm gonna upload on a new YouTube channel with my secret keyword process. And I do this before ever uploading a single video. And this can take a few days as well to be mapping this out, doing the keyword process. But in my opinion, it's well worth it in order to increase your odds of getting success on YouTube. And if you want to learn more about that process and how I run 9 different YouTube channels without ever showing my face or making any videos, then check out the free training at the link down in the description. I really believe you're going to get a ton of value from that free training. And another thing to keep in mind is that growth on YouTube is usually exponential. You'll usually upload a lot of videos without seeing any results whatsoever. And then going back to that 80-20 rule, 20% of your videos are going to be getting 80% of the views. So you might have a couple videos take off every now and then your entire channel could take off. So you could upload a lot of videos with hardly any results, and then everything could change for you. And I've seen this time and time again on all the different YouTube channels I run. And another thing to keep in mind is that the longer your videos are, the easier it will be to get 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. And some people take this to an extreme by doing live streams, which can really help as well, help you get those first 4,000 hours of watch time. And the final thing to keep in mind is to not stop uploading no matter what. The more uploads, the better. And like I said, don't give up if you upload 10 videos and hardly see any results. This happens all the time, and I consider myself an expert in YouTube. I've been doing YouTube for over 5 years now, almost 6 years. And I've seen time and time again upload a lot of videos on a channel, hardly get any result. I mean, I've had channels that I've uploaded over 50 videos on with hardly any results, and then one of the videos takes off. And I always like to say you're only one video away from everything potentially changing on YouTube. So I hope you got a ton of value from this video.